2-bed flat to rent on A Brownhill Road, London Selenium 6 marketed. Reeds Rains is pleased to present to the market this 2-bed flat to rent on This property is located on A Brownhill Road, London Selenium. View this property on map. Explore this property neighborhood. This property has easy access to different transport links. Some excellent schools are near this property, making it an ideal purchase for family. Living room, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom, bedroom, utility room, bedroom. Recent sales near this property are shown here with sale prices. This property is marketed by Reeds Rains. They have expertise. For further details, please visit Houser website.